So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a stunning Instagram stories for your Instagram account. And these stories are really amazing. And so for that, you need to open your Canva application. Then you need to go to search bar and search Instagram stories. Then you need to click on Instagram stories, and you can also click on Instagram story videos. Okay, so I click on Instagram stories. Then I have many templates here, like you can see here 2,77,569 templates. I have plenty of templates. Some are free, some are paid. So if you have pro version, you can use any template you want to use, and if you are a free user, you can use mm, you have you still have many options. So for example, I want to create a Instagram story for my photo, or even I want to create an Instagram story for my birthday. I can select any template uh, according to that. For example, I have a good photo, I need to create an Instagram story, so I can just select on this template. And after that, this template loads, you can just edit everything. For example, if you have a good photo, you can just replace these background photo by deleting it, and you can add your photo as well. For now I just came to back, or then you can just select on these fonts, and you can edit the name of the song as well. Okay, if you want some other songs, if you want to add any good song, so you can just simply edit this. You can just simply edit this, and boom, your story is created. So now you can download it and post on your story, which looks different from other people's stories.